Another aspect that also makes the XPlanar very interesting is the wear-free process. Wear-free because there are no mechanical contacts. The movers are moved and conveyed without contact. The advantage lies in the possibility to work for a long time without wear, without abrasion, without dust formation, without contamination in the system itself. This results in ingenious possibilities for use in clean rooms, etc. The motion control of the movers can be fine-tuned. In addition, the movers can accelerate and brake and can transport all kinds of liquids.